Welcome to Exams A to Z. This is me Chandramouli. So with this series, that is Indian Geography through Maps series, I am going to cover entire Indian geography, especially the maps part of the Indian geography. So those who are following this series and those who are newcomers to this series, download Exams A to Z app, share with your friends, and in this series especially I am going to provide you the tips and tricks to remember the geography easily, so that it will be easy for you in your entire exam preparation. So let us see this today's. So India and its neighboring countries. Yes, very important and interesting also. India and its neighboring countries. So we need to know our neighbors, right? We need to know our neighbors. Why? Because generally there will be an important questions from this section. We shall discuss about those also. Okay. So let us see the India and its neighboring. There are 9 neighboring countries. Out of them, 7 has shared land boundary with India, and rest of the 2 are in the Indian Ocean. So we shall see about this. Let us remember them easily. I am drawing a line. This is north and south. I am drawing V, or I am drawing an inverted K. I am drawing a line here. So this N indicates northern direction, S indicates southern direction, this E indicates eastern direction, and this northwest, this is northwestern direction, and this is southwestern direction. So the countries that are in the northwest are Afghanistan and Pakistan. The countries that are in the north are China, Bhutan, and Nepal. The countries that are in eastern direction, means eastwards towards to the India, are Bangladesh and Myanmar. The country at the south is Sri Lanka. The country at the southwestern direction is Maldives. So here at the northwestern frontier and north and eastern frontier, these countries share the land boundary with India. So how to remember this easily? You know a comedian M.S. Narayana and Chandrababu Naidu and Andhra Pradesh. By linking these 3 terms we can remember this business management. By linking these 4 terms we can remember this. So M.S. Narayana and Chandrababu Naidu of Andhra Pradesh studied business management. M.S. Narayana and Chandrababu Naidu of Andhra Pradesh studied business management. With this you can remember all the countries that share or that are the neighbors of India. Here M indicates Maldives, S indicates Sri Lanka, C indicates China, B indicates Bhutan, N indicates Nepal, and A indicates Afghanistan, P is Pakistan, B is Bangladesh, M is Myanmar. So M.S. Narayana and Chandrababu Naidu of Andhra Pradesh studied business management. So with this statement you can remember the neighboring countries of India, 9 neighboring countries of India. Now let us see their capitals. So we need to know their capitals also. Let us start with Pakistan. Pakistan's capital is Islamabad. Yes. And the capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. The capital of China is Beijing. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The capital of Myanmar is Yangon. The capital of Sri Lanka is, Sri Lanka has two capitals. Number one is executive capital, number two is legislative capital. So executive capital is Colombo and legislative capital is Sri Jayawardhanapura Koti. Sri Jayawardhanapura Koti. And here the Maldives. There is Maldives here. So the capital of Maldives is, it will be at the bottom. So the capital of this Maldives is Mali. The capital of Maldives is Mali. So remember their capitals, India's neighbors and their capitals. So there are 7 countries that share land boundary with that of India. Then how to remember them? How you can remember them easily? So by using this code from largest to smallest. It means, remember this code, that is the qualification of head of Bachpan school is MBA. The qualification of head of Bachpan school is MBA. So remember this. This is very easy. So from this statement you can understand which country shares longest boundary with India, or with which country India shares longest boundary. With which country India shares longest boundary. We shall see. So in this Bachpan school, BA stands for Bangladesh. So this is the first country. This is the longest boundary. Bangladesh shares the longest boundary with that of India. That is about 4096 kilometers. That is about 4096 kilometers. And the next country is China. CH indicates China. So China shares common boundary. China and India has the common boundary of 3488 kilometers. Common boundary that of 3488 kilometers. And the next one is Pakistan. Pakistan and India has the common boundary that of 3323 kilometers. 3323 kilometers. And the next country, N. So N indicates Nepal here. Nepal and India shares 1751 kilometers of common boundary. 1751 kilometers of common boundary. And here M indicates Myanmar. So this is Myanmar. So Myanmar shares 1643 kilometers. 1643 kilometers. And here in MBA, B indicates Bhutan. So Bhutan and India has the common boundary of 699 kilometers. 699 kilometers. And finally, Afghanistan shares common boundary with that of India at very short distance, that is 106 kilometers. 106 kilometers. So remember that. So you can remember the descending order from highest to lowest, from the largest to the smallest. So Bachpan and MBA, you can remember these two terms, Bachpan and MBA. It means the qualification of head of Bachpan school is MBA. You can remember that. Now let us see what are the states that share boundaries with that of other countries. So let us start with Pakistan. Pakistan. So Pakistan has the common boundary with that of Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. So let us see Afghanistan here. Afghanistan, the Union Territory of Ladakh shares boundary with that of Afghanistan. And let us see the China. With China, Ladakh, the states that share, the Indian states that share boundaries with China is Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 states and union territories that shares boundary with that of China. Now let us see the Bhutan country. So Bhutan shares with Sikkim. Here Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. And if you come to the Bangladesh, the states of India that shares boundaries with Bangladesh are West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So now let us see the Myanmar. The state of Arunachal Pradesh, the state of Nagaland, the state of Manipur and Mizoram shares common boundary or shares boundary with that of Myanmar. And there is no common boundary, land boundary with that of Sri Lanka, and there is no land boundary with that of Maldives, which is at the southwestern side. Okay, so these are the India's neighbors. And what type of questions can be expected from this topic? Here they will ask the length, the basic questions. They will ask the length. For example, Nepal and India shares which of the following length? Shares the boundary of which of the following length? 1751 kilometers. Similarly, India and China, India and Bangladesh, they will be asking. Or they will ask arrange the countries that shares longest boundaries with that of India. So either in ascending order or in descending order you can expect questions. Or you can expect questions. Which of the following state is not sharing a boundary with that of Bhutan? Which of the following state is not sharing a boundary with that of Bangladesh? So they may ask you some little bit confused questions. So they may twist it. So you must be well aware of these, the states that are in the that share the common boundary with that of other countries. So it is very, very important. And you can expect many more questions from this. So all the best. Download Exam Citizen app, and we have many Telegram channels especially for your preparation. I'm sharing the link at the bottom, or I'm sharing the link in the description. Utilize this and share with your friends. So text me which type of maps I need to do. Comment in the comment section which topic I need to teach you regarding maps, so that I will give first preference for that. So if there are more likes for some particular topic, then I will do that topic for you. So I am going to cover entire geography of India, and I am going to do separate classes for world geography also. So it will be very, very useful for you. And not only that, I am launching the geography classes that involves the complete coverage of geography. So you can check in the comment section, that will be useful for you. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Please regularly follow this session, so that I can definitely guarantee you it will be useful for you. Thank you.